We're here at BobCAD-CAM facilities with Tim from Big Advanced, right?
Correct.
He just finalized one training with us, with Mike. So, Tim, I would like to know a little bit about your experience. Overall, how was your experience here
Very good.
with us?
This is my second trip down here, but this is my fourth training with BobCAD. Mike did our very first one in-house, and we had him up there for 3 days. We were able to capture him and bring him into our shop and play with some of the machines and also the BobCAD together. The second time we went to a training seminar in Louisville.
Okay.
And then 2 years ago I came down for more training on more of the 3D stuff.
Okay.
And then this past year we signed our subscription up and went and met you guys at IMTS and found that there's a lot of new things that I needed to learn again. So we booked a training session and came down and did it this week. It's very informative. Mike's a heck of a trainer. Heck of a good guy too.
Yeah.
And it's enjoyable to come down here.
One of the biggest questions that we have when we're doing training or when we have customers is your overall performance on your shop. You know, like how fast you're able to produce your parts, how efficient or just the quality of your finishes.
Right.
Do you believe after taking the training or these 3 trainings, is that better?
Oh yes, much better. It helps. Well, just with refreshing and stuff like that, it helps me go back and take some of the parts that the designers will send me, and I find different ways of programming and taking it to the machine and turning it into a part much quicker. It also, a lot of the stuff that I do is one-off pieces anyways.
Mm-hmm.
So they like to send me stuff to try to trick me a little bit, but the training has really helped a lot to get me through that.
So in other words, thanks to the training, you can see a part and think of 5 different ways to approach it.
Right.
Okay. Well, that's very important. Now, about the environment here, how do you feel when you come here? How do you feel with BobCAD overall as a company?
Oh, we've had BobCAD since 2015, 2016, and every update's been great. This last one with all this new stuff that you've added to it is really fantastic. We had coming here, the experience is much easier for me because I'm not being interrupted all the time. When at the shop, right now I'm a one-man shop, and I could be in the shop with the trainer and be interrupted every 15-20 minutes, even though they know they're not supposed to bother me. They're in there anyways, so the training would have taken so much longer, and probably wouldn't have learned as much either.
You killed 2 birds with one stone.
Right.
You get out of the snow, and
Right. Correct.
And you learn.
Yes.
You learn a lot.
And sitting in here with Mike, I can ask him questions, and sometimes he fills me with too much information, but hey, I can always call him and ask.
Well, I think it's really, really cool when we hear about customers like you, especially, I think what's important is the growth. You feel like you were here and now you're here, and that's what we're trying to do as a company. It's not only give you the training, but all the tools necessary. I don't know if you know, the reason we added so many features on 37 is what you guys asked.
Right.
So we actually took every feature request, we qualified it, and we added. So out of all the features, 130 features were feature requests from customers. So we keep doing that. So Tim, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for visiting us here. Well, this is Tim from Big Fans, and yeah, if you need a big fan, that's who you need to contact. So Tim,
Right.
thank you so much, and have a good day, everybody.
Thanks.